Coffee's secret helper, the Asian Palm Civet. It's incredible to think that a wild animal is so intimately connected to our daily routines, especially when it comes to coffee. Meet the Asian Palm Civet, also known as a toddy cat, and yes, they're related to mongooses. These fascinating mammals are native to Southeast Asia, thriving in forests and plantations from India to Indonesia. They're nocturnal creatures, meaning they're most active at night, using their excellent sense of smell to navigate the dense undergrowth and locate food. Their diet isn't just limited to fruits, it includes insects, small reptiles, and birds too. But what makes them truly unique is their unusual relationship with coffee cherries. Asian palm civets are fascinating creatures, often hidden away in the dense forests of Southeast Asia. They're nocturnal mammals, meaning they're most active at night, a behavior that contributes to them being easily overlooked. These animals play a vital role in their ecosystem, primarily feeding on fruits and coffee cherries. What makes them truly remarkable is what happens next. Their digestive system isn't like ours. The civet's stomach acids break down the outer layers of the cherry, but they don't digest the beans themselves. This unique process actually alters the bean's protein structure, removing many of the bitter compounds that would otherwise be present in regular coffee. It's this unusual digestive journey that ultimately leads to something incredibly valuable: Kopi Luwak coffee. It's fascinating how Kopi Luwak coffee gets its unique flavor profile. The Asian Palm Civet doesn't actually farm coffee cherries. It's a much more natural process than that. These animals roam through the lush tropical rainforest, instinctively seeking out ripe, red coffee cherries from wild plants. They have an incredible ability to identify the sweetest and most flavorful fruits. Essentially, they are quality control experts for the coffee beans themselves. The civets consume these cherries whole, but unlike many other fruit-eating animals, they don't digest the coffee bean within. Instead, it passes through their digestive system, undergoing a remarkable transformation that contributes to the distinctive taste of Kopi Luwak. It's truly remarkable how the Asian palm civet contributes to what we know as Kopi Luwak. Unlike most animals, their digestive system possesses a unique characteristic. It can't fully break down the outer layer of the coffee cherry. Instead of being digested, those beans pass through the civet's gut and undergo a fascinating transformation. This process isn't just simple digestion, it actually ferments the beans. Enzymes in the civet's digestive tract work to alter the chemical composition, creating a truly one-of-a-kind flavor profile that coffee enthusiasts often describe as smoother, less bitter, and possessing earthy notes. What's truly remarkable about the Asian palm civet's role in coffee production is what happens inside its digestive system. The civet doesn't just eat the coffee cherries, it actively transforms them through a unique fermentation process. Specialized enzymes within its gut, particularly those targeting proteins and fats, work to break down compounds within the bean during digestion. This enzymatic action significantly reduces bitterness while simultaneously enhancing sweetness, essentially creating a smoother, more palatable flavor profile before the beans are ever processed by humans. It's this natural transformation that contributes so much to Kopi Luwak's distinctive taste. the journey doesn't end once the Asian Palm Civet has digested the coffee cherries. What emerges Kopi Luwak is then excreted, collected by humans, and undergoes a rather unique processing chain. Once gathered, these beans are meticulously cleaned to remove any residual matter, then carefully roasted to bring out their full flavor potential. This entire process, from consumption to collection and refinement, contributes significantly to its extraordinary price tag. It's arguably the most expensive coffee in the world, commanding prices that reflect both the rarity of the beans and the labor-intensive harvesting method. The exceptional taste of Kopi Luwak has always been at the heart of its allure. Historically, it was considered a truly remarkable coffee prized for a flavor profile unlike anything else available. Many describe it as noticeably smoother than other coffees, with significantly less bitterness. That characteristic lack of astringency is often attributed to the Asian Palm Civet's unique digestive process. The civet's enzymes break down certain proteins in the coffee cherries, altering their chemical composition. This results in a cup that frequently reveals subtle chocolatey undertones and a richer complexity, making it an incredibly sought-after experience for discerning coffee drinkers. The allure of Kopi Luwak and its unique flavor has unfortunately created a dark side to this story. The intense demand for civet coffee has fueled widespread illegal poaching across Asia. These animals are incredibly valuable alive, as they can be kept in farms, though the conditions are often far from ideal. Tragically, many are snatched from their natural habitats, ripped away from their families and communities, and forced into cramped cages where they're fed a diet solely focused on coffee cherries. This isn't a sustainable practice, and it has severely impacted wild populations of Asian palm civets. The financial incentive is simply too strong for some to resist, leading to devastating consequences for these incredible creatures. The demand for Kopi Luwak unfortunately led to some deeply troubling practices in its early days. Many civets were confined to small cages on farms, forced to eat a diet solely of coffee cherries, a situation far removed from their natural behavior and causing them significant distress. Thankfully, awareness has grown, and there's now a crucial shift towards sustainable and ethical production methods. This means prioritizing the well-being of these incredible animals above all else. A key part of this involves rescuing civets that have been held in captivity and carefully rehabilitating them before releasing them back into protected habitats where they can thrive. Alternatively, supporting initiatives that source coffee naturally collected by wild Asian palm civets is another vital step. It ensures the animals remain free and their natural foraging behaviors are respected. Ultimately, choosing Kopi Luwak from reputable sources committed to these ethical practices helps safeguard both the civet population and the integrity of this unique coffee. The Asian Palm Civet's story truly embodies a complex interplay between wildlife, human economies, and our responsibility for conservation efforts. For centuries, these nocturnal creatures have roamed the forests of Southeast Asia, playing a vital role in seed dispersal. They essentially act as nature's gardeners, spreading seeds across vast distances through their droppings. Historically, local communities respected them, however. Their unique contribution to coffee production dramatically shifted that relationship. The practice of collecting civet coffee, or Kopi Luwak, has created an unusual and sometimes problematic link between human desire for a luxury product and the well-being of this fascinating animal. It's a situation we need to understand carefully.